Hey guys, Matty here. Today in the Chief Life Kitchen, we're gonna make some stewed fruit pudding. Let's have a look at all these ingredients.
Protein powder, apples, pears, sultanas, walnuts, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and water. Today's fun recipe starts off by heating our pan, adding your pear, apple, sultanas, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, as well as your walnuts before pouring some water over the top. Stir this through and bring to the boil. As it's on the way to the boil, feel free to mix it through a few times. Once boiled, stir consistently until you're happy with the softness of the fruit, and then you'll be right to switch that one off. Next, add in half of your protein powder and stir it through. We'll continue adding in the rest of the protein powder until we've got a consistent paste. Allow your mixture some time to cool before placing it into your pudding cups. Scoop your mixture out evenly. If you find there's extras left over, just place it in the pockets of space on top. How good does your stewed fruit pudding look? It's so good you'll be fighting over it.